Why you can't remove documents or blank page from Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about, and trying to give you some solution that could be help you to resolve your problem. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay, guys, so here we are. I have two page here, and one page I have contain our text, and another page I have the nothing, because nothing, it is blank page. So if you want to delete it, there is a way you can delete. The first way, just keep the cursor on blank page and hit the backspace, backspace one or three time, then the blank page will be delete. Okay, the second way, you can just select the first page, select the, click and hold and select like this, and uh, uh, take your cursor on your upper page, and now you can hit the backspace, then page will be delete. Okay, the next way, you can go to the view option and go to the show of non-printing character. So you can see this character will be visible. Now you have to come in blank page and you have to just delete that character. So it will be delete the blank page. Okay, you can find the search for on the whole page. So if you find this character, you can delete from there. Okay, so the next way, that you can go to the page setup, go to the file, go to the page setup, and change the letter size, page size, to any other size like letter, and click on OK. Then come again to page setup and make as a default, go to the A4 size. Okay, or you can go to your previous size and click on OK, and try to delete this page like this with first option, or you can use the another option to delete the page. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.